lightning ain't gonna start anyway. It will start kind of soon. Yeah, it may start soon. Yeah. No lightning over there, which makes it even more scarier. Yeah, it makes it scarier. Okay, so... Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on myself. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna prop it up. Prop it up. Oh no. Flopino's about to fall off. Prop it up like right over here. I can't prop this thing up properly. I propped it up. It's good to go. I propped it up, guys. Popped it up. I'm gonna hold up. Popped it up. Oh, come on. Again. Don't I put it like this? Which makes things better. Hold up, let me cover up. Droplets hit the ground. Camera is black. Just waiting for it. How long would that take? Oh, sorry guys. I have to give you this again. I'm probably just cover up the camera or so. Like this until I... Oh, I saw a huge lightning over there. I didn't catch no camera. Until I... Oh no, I think it's getting much more terrifying. Not having protection for us. And it's just so cold outside. Whoa. That was so huge. I saw that. You know what? I think this area should be the most affected area in this. You see that lightning? You see lightning up there? I see lightning over there. Bro, do you guys see it? Whoa. Uh-oh. Starting to hear thunder. Oh my god. Whoa. Sorry for... Guys, I'm sorry. If you live in one of these houses, I didn't mean to record you. What I meant to do was to catch the lightning. So, as a matter of fact, I don't know if it will rain. I felt a droplet now and then. It's the most of the part. This part is like has more lightning because I saw a huge flash over there. And it's kind of right there, like right over there. Can't zoom in that much. That's it. That's just it. My hand is getting tired. Oh wait. Lightning is just flashing. Even lightning is just flashing over there. You can still see the lightning right there. I'm gonna go. You know what? I don't know what to say, but let me grab this. No, I'm not grabbing anything. It's a joke. Okay, we're on the lookout to see the lightning, guys. Let's go see it. It's like right upon over here. There's that huge cloud over there. And yeah, that thing is so huge and humongous. I see something from over here. Someone starts riding their bike. I swear I saw lightning. Just walked by the houses. Just walked on by the houses. Maybe we could see the lightning up there. I'm gonna try to capture it. Like, my camera has a feature which makes things brighter, which in here looks kind of terrifying to see that it's not that cool. This is getting way too terrifying. Not that terrifying, but there was a supercell, like those clouds that kind of like looked like something exploded, and then it makes that effect. So yeah, and also I've seen it get bigger and bigger and bigger. So that made that, so the clouds over here made, oh, sorry. So I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. So sorry. I keep on recording. I'm so sorry. I don't want to. Lightning. Water. Rain, rain. Rain. They caught a firefly. What's that? Look it, a firefly. Oh, I saw lightning and I didn't even catch it on footage. Saw huge lightning and didn't catch it on footage. Are you guys gonna sleep? Yeah, we're gonna sleep. Okay. Oh. I think this part is even worse. This part is even worse. I'm gonna record this part right here. Oh. This part is even worse. This part is even worse now. This part is even worse. This video is now 10 minutes long. Why fireworks at this time? That's what made it worse. Because of the smoke. I don't know, but still right over there. Oh. If it starts raining, I'm gonna run back to my car. If you're knowing where Gerald is, Gerald's in the house. But Gerald doesn't know that there's lightning. So Gerald is just sleeping. I saw lightning. I wish I caught huge lightning. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, did you guys see that? Whoa. No way. This thing isn't that strong enough to. It isn't strong enough. Wait, guys, when I think lightning is gonna come out, so hold up. Oh, okay. No, I don't know. Oh, what is the? You know what? I'm gonna. It's still gonna come out, isn't it? Oh, this is so huge. Oh. Also, lightning could be. There's no longer lightning there. I want to oh, I saw lightning. Yeah, I want to record your house, guys. Sorry, guys. Now there's lightning. Whoa. No, I can't record like that because there's so many people over there, and then they're gonna think I'm recording them. But I'm not recording you guys. I'm recording the lightning. I heard something. Oh. Oh, what? Ooh. Car just passed. There's something in the air. And it's flying. Still gonna record the lightning. If it starts raining, then we're going right back. Oh, I caught that, guys. You saw that? You saw that, guys? I caught that. You can still see it up there. Ooh. Now, I think this is the longest video I had on my channel. Whoa. The longest video I have on my channel. Oh. This is the longest. Wait. Guys, this is actually the longest video I've recorded in my channel. The longest video that's recorded on my channel. Okay, I gotta stop. It's still, whoa. Now it's 15 minutes and 9 seconds. It's 15 minutes long and 13 seconds. Ooh. Keeps on flashing. Kinda doesn't look like a ring, but whoa. Look it. You can see the blue. You can see the light. The light got covered.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Cook County.
Uh-oh. They got an alert, guys.
Safety, move indoors and prepare for flying debris.
Guys, we gotta prepare for for debris. I heard that. Whoa. Whoa. Of course I caught that, didn't I? No way. Remember that video that I posted that there was lightning and then there was the thunderstorm? And that thing was actually like I posted it on Saturday. It was actually 3 days ago. I accidentally put 2 days ago. If it was 2 days ago, then I would have posted it on Friday. And whoa, oh my god, that's a lot. So yeah, I can't. I don't know. Sure, I'm gonna back off a bit. Oh, sorry guys, if I gotta keep the camera stable. In case I see something, I've seen something huge. I might keep the camera stable. Whoa, what was that? No, guys, you're dirty-minded. Don't hear that, man. I'm not talking about the clouds. The sound of it. Guys, this is the longest video I've recorded ever. Is it gonna rain? Well, I don't know if it's gonna rain or so, but it isn't gonna rain.
The forecast tonight in Cicero is 85 degrees and cloudy. It's currently 87 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Oh, I heard that I heard it. Now it's just, the news told me. Well, the news didn't tell me, but did I see a flash on the, whoa. Nah, guys, it's just a joke. Just people are trying to scare little kids into thinking that there's lightning.
Risk for severe storms. While it is currently just mostly cloudy in your area, the National Weather Service has issued a limited thunderstorm risk for tonight. Here's the breakdown of what to watch for. Tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop this evening and move into the overnight hours, especially near and north of I-80. A few of these storms can become strong or severe. The primary hazards are damaging wind gusts, up to 60 miles per hour, and large hail, up to quarter size. Friday, July 3rd, the risk level increases to a level 2 out of 5, elevated risk for severe thunderstorms. These storms are expected to be more widespread, particularly in the afternoon, with damaging winds being the main threat. Because the weather can change quickly, it's a good idea to keep your phone nearby or have a weather radio on so you can receive any official alerts if a warning is issued for Cicero. Since you mentioned being interested in gardening, please keep in mind that strong wind and hail can be quite damaging to those tomato plants you're growing. If you have any way to protect them or secure them, it might be a good precaution to take tonight.
Ooh, right, you just gotta protect your plants. Now we have to protect our plants. We gotta protect our plants, okay? It's just gonna be lightning. Looks like it's just gonna be lightning. Looks like it's just gonna be lightning. There won't be any raining. Kinda looks like. Oh, it's starting to get hot. Wait, what happened? So I recorded this part and then, I'm so tired, I want to sleep. Floppino's sleeping. I realized it's gonna rain at 2 in the morning. It's gonna rain at 1. So we're gonna go, guys. Sorry for